Google Pixel Watch is official. At Google I/O 2022, the company announced its long-rumored smartwatch for the first time. Though there are plenty of reasons to believe a Pixel brand wearable was on the way, Google confirmed it's happening. And now we wait. The Pixel Watch is slated to arrive this fall alongside the Google Pixel 7 series. We know that it will run Wear OS 3, possibly becoming the best smartwatch yet for Google's wearable software. It will also borrow fitness tracking from Fitbit and extend some new Android experience to the wrist. It will have to contend against the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and even the Apple Watch 8, plus face the year of anticipation from Pixel smartphone users who have waited for an in-house companion smartwatch. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Here's everything we know about the Google Pixel Watch, from expected release date and price to possible features and more. A report says that the Pixel Watch will probably be similar to the Apple Watch because they are reported have the same manufacturer. The Pixel Watch is also reported to have a USB-C charger. A new report says that the Pixel Watch will have a co-processor to help speed up performance along with more RAM than the Galaxy Watch 4 and double the storage. A rumor suggests the Google Pixel Watch could be powered by a 4-year-old Samsung Exynos chip. The Google Pixel Watch release date will happen in the fall. If we had to pinpoint a month, we'd guess October. Google has a history of holding hardware launch events in October. After all, during this event, we'll get an exact Google Pixel Watch release date.